So guys, I'm going to give you an update. We're gonna turn left from here, okay? Because right now we have an available for construction. Like if you are someone looking for a very big lot area, it's 241 square meter lot. I'm gonna show it to you guys, yung kanyang actual position. So, it's up to you kung ang gusto mong itayo doon ay Bettina or Beatriz. Okay, you will be the one to decide on that. I just wanna show you guys the actual location. So, it's very near the entrance. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, we're just gonna keep going. So, Bella Vista Phase 1, as you know, it already has community. Ayan, no, marami na po magagandang nagpa-gate and fence dito. So, we stop from here. So, we stop from here on the right side. I'm just gonna show it to you quickly, guys, on the map, alright? Hey guys, Nicole here, and of course, this is our most recent Bella Vista Phase 1 update for number 1. I want to show you the actual position of the biggest lot area we have available in the inventory. As you know, Bella Vista Phase 1 already has community. We have a lot of homeowners who are already residing in the subdivision. And what you need to remember is we have this block 10 very close to the entrance gate, and the lot area is 241 square meters. So that's the first one we're gonna check out. And the next one is the ready for occupancy Bettina model, which is 100 square meter. I'm gonna show you the sample combination as well as the one with the biggest lot. So in short, if you are aiming for Bella Vista for so long and you've been waiting for that big lot area, this is it. It's actually end corner if you look at it in the map, and then I'm also gonna show you right now, okay? So let's go. So ito siya guys, nakikita ko sa map. Ayan oh, yung map oh. Ay, hindi nyo pala makikita. Ayan. So hindi ito may-ari na nitong corner na to. Ano din siya, end corner din siya. Oh my gosh. Ito yung shape niya. Okay, sige. Papakita ko ngayon sa inyo guys sa mapa yung shape niya. Ayan. So, this lot is available 241 square meter end corner showing on the map. Yung katabi niya rito na malaki na almost 200 square meter, nagpagawa na ng magandang bahay. Ang ganda. Nice. So, ito guys, pag tinanong nyo, pwede ko ba yan kunin ng lote lang? Natanong ko na po si developer. Sa titulo po kasi, ito po ay naka-house and lot. So, hindi po ito pwedeng lote lang. House and lot po talaga, itong pwesto na to, na 241 square meter, napakalaki po niya. Ayan, and corner. Ang ganda ng pwesto. Ayan siya guys, oh. Oh. So, ang mangyayari kasi dito, dahil kahit irregular yung shape niya, ang ganda ng pagka-irregular. Ang perfect. So, yun yung cut niya dyan. Tapos, dito yung, so, dyan yung magiging daanan. Ito yung bukana niya, oh. Magiging bukana niya. Kasyang-kasya pa rin yung car. Yung pasok ng car. And then, dito sa side na to, itatayo yung bahay. Tapos, dito, ayan na siya, oh. Wala na siyang kadikit dito sa side na to. Kasi, yung pagkakabili ni developer dito ng slot, ganyan siya. Nice, guys, oh. Yan, ayan po yun. 241 square meter lot. Okay, magbibigay ako ng sample computation yan. Pag Bettina yung gusto nyong itayo, showing on the screen, yan po siya. Pag Bettina. Tapos kung Beatrice naman yung gusto nyong itayo, pinapakita ko na rin sa screen kung Beatrice ang gusto nyong itayo dyan. Okay? So, that's available, guys. Pero, online reservation, first come, first serve. You must contact me as soon as possible. 10,000 lang, guys, i-secure niya na online reservation para mauna kayo kasi nag-iisa lang yan, okay? You just have to contact me as soon as possible to be able to do that. Ayan siya, guys. So, from here, guys, we're gonna go to block 14 for the ready for occupancy na Bettina model. Okay? So, yun po ay RFO na. So, magbibigay din ako ng sample computation. Kung ang RFO ang target mo dito, tapos Bettina, this is it, guys. This is your chance. Okay? So, let's go and let's do it. Let me show it to you. So here we turn left, and then from the second block we're gonna turn right. So this one we're gonna turn right from here, and then straight na lang yan guys. So the Bettina model ready for occupancy guys is nandito siya. So halos end unit din siya guys, which is really good. So we're just gonna park here on the right side, and then I'm just gonna show it to you, okay? So Bettina RFO na naka firewall to firewall orientation. Guys, ang lakas nyo sa akin Actual kong vina-vlog to Nakakatuwa kasi itong mga units na to nakatabi nitong open na to. Lahat yan mga clients ko yan. Yung mga naka-avail niyan dyan. So ito Bettina. Naka firewall to firewall yung orientation niya. So this is it. Ready for occupancy Bettina model. Ayan guys nakatayo na po si Bettina. O, pagka nakatayo na yung unit, tapos okay na yung water and Meralco, approve ka na sa bank financing, pwede ka nang lumipat. O, pag tinanong mo, yung kanyang floor and lot area showing on the screen, ayan. Baka sabihin mo, ito sa akin na rin ba yan? Ay, hindi guys, kasi hindi na yan sakop ng mo. Ito ay separate to. Iba yan. Dito yung sakop ng lote mo. Nakita mo naman, mas malaki siya sa typical na minimum na 80, diba? So, 100 square meter lot yan. Ayan. Tapos, pinapakita ko na yung kanyang sample computation. Dahil RFO, kailangan po cash yung down payment. Ayan, sa screen. Ayan. Ganda ng pwesto niyo kasi ito yung balcony. Tapos meron ka namang dun. May sakop ka pa rin na may kita kang view dun. Na yan yung sa kabilang side. Parang open, puro mga puno-puno. Ganun siya guys. Paunahan lang po to online reservation. Kontakin nyo kagad ako guys para dito sa 10,000 to reserve to secure the slot. Ayan. Ito na yung pinaka niya. Paligid niya. Na nakatayo na yan. Ayan. Diba? Ganda rin ng bahay na yun, nung may nagpa-gate and fence. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. There you have it, guys. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity na makapag-avail ng malaking lot area sa Phase 1 ng Bella Vista Subdivision. Yung nakita nyo naman, yung price niya nasa 8 million, diba? So, ang mga required income natin doon, minimum 220,000 per month yung dapat solo or combined income mo. Pag dito naman sa ready for occupancy na Bettina model, nakita nyo naman guys, di ba? Nakatayo na, malaki yung lot area, ang ganda rin ng pwesto, pero very affordable. Kasi yung pwesto niya sa mapa, dahil nga pa-end unit ka na, technically, yung pwesto niya, so medyo may, syempre tahimik kayo dyan, diba? Yun, kasi yung katabi mong unit, yung katabi mo naka-firewall to firewall mo, po yan, hindi yan duplex firewall to firewall, magka-attach yung firewall nyo, pero separate pa rin po yung firewall kasi single attach po tayo dito, so firewall to firewall lang, talagang magkadikit lang yung firewall nyo, pero you are not sharing the same firewall. I hope we are clear on that, okay guys? So, Bella Vista Phase 1, 10,000 to reserve. First come, first serve. You must contact me directly. Again, my name is Nicole. I-online reservation na natin yan. Pero kung available ka naman sa Pilipinas ka, mabilis ang tripping para makita mo agad, masecure mo agad same day. Or kung gusto mo naman dahil nga paunahan lang siya, karamihan dito kasi maggawa tripping sa akin ng weekend, lumipas na yung 2 or 3 days. Unfortunately, dahil nga online reservation tayo dito, naunahan na po sila. So it's very crucial for you to reserve online. Kahit gawin mo pa yan bago yung tripping. It depends kung gusto mo talagang mauna. So ganun siya guys. Okay? First come, first serve. So contact me in my Viber and WhatsApp number, always showing on the screen naman yan guys. Okay? Again, my name is Nicole, and if you are using Messenger, that's my Facebook account. You can follow me and message me. Just mention Bettina RFO or just mention yung 241 square meter lot Bettina or Beatrice sa Phase 1 Bella Vista or whatever, Bella Vista, like that. Just mention guys yung name ng project para pag nakita ko, ma-replyan ka agad kita. I can call you, or if you want, kung talagang nasa abroad ka, kasi 70% of my clients here are Filipinos based abroad, we can do virtual tripping, wala pong problema sa akin yan kasi I live in the same barangay lang naman, barangay San Vicente rin. Okay guys? So I hope to see you all soon. Thank you guys for watching. And since this is my birth month promo, yung makaka-avail dito sa furniture ko sa vlog ko today, ma-avail nyo pa rin guys yung aking birth month promo. Kasi nga November, diba? So papasok ka pa rin doon sa November birth month promo ko, which is showing on the screen. Ayan guys, ha? So thank you guys always for watching and supporting my channel. Have a nice day and hope to see you all soon. Thank you!